Hi and hello everyone. Welcome back to Akki-Vikki Math. This is Akshaya, 6th grade. Let us solve this problem today, which is appeared in RMO. Let ABC be an acute angle triangle. AD be the bisector of angle BAC with D on BC. So line AD is the angle bisector of the angle BAC. So this angle B is X and this angle B. So this angle is also equal to X. And BE be the altitude from B to AC. So BE is the altitude from B to AC. So this angle will be equal to 90. Show that angle CED is greater than 45. So we have to show that angle CED is greater than 45. So we have that AD is the angle bisector of BAC. And we know that any point on this angle bisector is the perpendicular distance from that point to the sides of the angle is always equal. So we can draw the perpendicular lines from, so D is the point on the angle bisector AD also. So we can draw the perpendicular lines from D and those both will be equal. So let's draw the perpendicular lines. This is one of them and this is also one of them. And with these both are perpendicular. So this angle equal to 90 and this angle is also equal to 90. And let this point be M and this will be N. And we can also see that if B, so we have dm equal to dn. Let's note it down. dm equal to dn. So we have dm equal to dn. Now we have over here at BE, we have this angle equal to 90 and this angle also equal to 90. And if we take EN as a transverse line, then we have sum of supplementary angles equal to 90 plus 90, which is 180. So we can say that BE is parallel to DN. We can say that DE is parallel to BE is parallel to DN. And we have 90, 90. So these are magic angles because whenever we have two 90 degrees angles, we must always form a quadrilateral with all angles equal to 90. So now we will form the quadrilateral with all angles equal to 90. We have two 90s, so we can draw the perpendicular line from D to BE. So let's draw, that angle will be 90. So let's draw the angle. So this is the angle. This is the line. So this angle will be equal to 90. And let this point be some P. We have 90, 90, 90. And we have, so this angle will also be equal to 90. And we have all of these angles are equal. So we can say the DPEN. DPEN is all angles equal, and we also have these both are parallel. So we can say this is a parallelogram. And by this, and if this is a parallelogram, we can say that PE equal to DN. PE equal to DN. And we can also say PD equal to EN. PD equal to EN. Now they are asking us to prove that CED is greater than 45. So angle CED is this angle. They are asking to prove this is greater than 45. And we can see that the sum of the angles BED and CED, BED plus CED is equal to 90. So we have these both sum equal to 90. And they are asking to prove that this angle CED is greater than 45. So we have to prove that angle BED is less than 45. Because those both sum up to 90. In order to prove that this angle is less than 45, we also have PED right angle triangle and have this angle equal to 90. So we just have to prove that this angle is also greater than 45. Angle PDE is greater than 45. We have to prove this is greater than 45. And by triangle inequalities, we have seen that the side opposite to the larger angle is larger than the side opposite to the smaller angle. And in this right angle triangle PED, we have the smaller angle is angle PED, and the bigger angle is PDE. So the opposite side of PDE, which is PE, we have to prove that PE is greater than opposite side to angle PED, which is PD. So we have to prove that PE is greater than PD. So we have to prove that these both are, so P is greater than PD. Now we also have written that PE is equal to DN. Now we'll use this condition. So PE is equal to DN. Now we have to prove DN is greater than PD. And we also have DN equal to DM by the angle bisector. So we have to prove that DM is greater than PD. We can prove that DM is greater than PD. And this is DM and this is PD. Now if we connect this line MP, we have the triangle MPD. So let's connect the line and see what we can do. Let's connect this line and we can say west side angle, if this angle equal to 90, this is also equal to 90, and we have this angle equal to some other angle. So we can say that angle MPD angle MPD is an obtuse angle because it is 90 plus something, and an obtuse angle is also greater than 90 and less than 180. So we can say that MPD is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. And in the triangle MPD, this triangle, if P is the largest angle, then the opposite side to this angle is the largest side. So we have the opposite side to angle MPD is DM, and they are asking to prove that DM is greater than PD. This is PD. It is also side of this triangle. So we can say, and this is the angle opposite to PD. And in this triangle, this is the obtuse angle MPD. So it is the largest angle, then this is smaller than that angle. So we can say DM is greater than PD. DM is greater than PD. And if we have proved that DM is greater than PD, we have proved that angle CED is greater than 45, because from this we can say that DN is greater than PD, and from that we can say PE is greater than PD, and from that we can say CED is greater than 45 degrees. Hence we prove that it is greater than 45 degrees. Okay? Okay. So the concepts we have used in this question are, first we have used the angle bisector. So we have used angle bisector. And second we have used the magic angles 90 and 90. Magic angles which are, so these angles are 90 and 90. And third, we have used the triangle inequalities. So we use all these concepts. At first, by angle bisector, we prove that DM equal to DN, and by that we have used magic angles and proved that it is a parallelogram. And from that, we got these inequalities, and by the triangle inequalities, we proved that DM is greater than PD, and we have proved that angle CED is greater than 45 degrees. So for better understanding and practice on these concepts, please follow our classes by clicking on the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.